Happy New Year to Team AS Watson. As we start the year 2025, I'm excited to announce our annual theme that connects all of us together. 2025 is designated as Year of Unity. Now, unity is more than teamwork, more than collaboration between teams, or between us and business partners. Unity is about a harmonious warmth, fueled by a shared sense of belonging, a shared purpose, and shared identity. Now, in the Year of Unity, I would like us to embrace the power of connection. By coming together as a team, we can create an environment that fosters trust, support, and shared success. Now, our goal is to deliver exceptional experiences offline and online that put a smile on our customers' faces today and tomorrow. Now, a few key words to keep in mind this year. Show appreciation to each other. Do it more often, make it a habit. Appreciate our diverse perspectives. We can create a more inclusive and harmonious workforce. We are more than just a business. Please continue to support meaningful causes in your local community, and this aligns with our goals in sustainability. We need to foster a culture where every team member feels valued and connected. Celebrate team successes and individual contributions to build a strong sense of belonging. No matter what your role is in the team, find ways to listen to customers, observe and analyze their needs, and work together to exceed their expectations. Now, in summary, the Year of Unity beautifully supports the purpose of AS Watson Group. I need every one of you to help inspire a united team who is kind to each other and a collective commitment to put a smile on our customers' face. Have an exceptional year of unity.